Good morning. It is a lovely Thursday morning, and it is 4:22 a.m. Hey guys, so I am out in front of the train station. Can't see it, but I am waiting for the 4:55 Amtrak train to Toledo, and I'm there for like 5 hours doing nothing until the bus to pick me up to go home, and I get home at 5:48 p.m. tonight. So yes, I am waiting for the train right now, and I'm sure it gets here anytime to unload and rest. So this is kind of exciting because I don't think I've ridden a giant train for transportation purposes. I've been on subways before in the middle of the city, but I've never been on a train to leave one city to the other. I saw that Amtrak goes all the way to LA, and it kind of like, I'm like, but no. It would be fun, it'd be interesting, but it's like 60-hour trip. But it's like a double-decker train, it has beds and everything. It's like a legit hotel on wheels, but it'd be a fun experience for another time. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for the train, probably repack my bag a little bit better, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit. Well guys, did you like that train? Yeah, funny story, that was going the wrong way. That was the Boston and New York train, and I'm going west, and that one's going east. So my train's gonna come on the same track, which I don't know where it switches at, but it's coming on the same track going the opposite way. So yeah, that was kind of awkward. But now here I'm by myself because I'm the only one going to Toledo at 4:30 in the morning. Actually, it's like 4:35 or something like that. So I got another 20 minutes before my train is scheduled to leave. But I heard that this train was 20 minutes late, so yeah, please don't be 20 minutes late. I mean, it doesn't really matter because I gotta wait a long time for my bus. Legitimately a long time. So yep, can't wait to get home, see if Mom has a Sharpie, we can fix this and see if we can put some kind of seal on there, clear nail polish or something Kelly might have. So yes, anyways, I am going to wait for this train. I might read a little of Kitchen Fire, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. To catch you later. Well, hey guys, what's up? I'm off the bus and I'm in Detroit. Yes, I'm in Detroit City. I'm just gonna go over to that there Burger King and get some Wi-Fi, get a drink. I'm not hungry. I'm not after. Yeah, when I got off the Amtrak train, I had like a bunch of hours to. I had like 6 hours, so my bus left. I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I asked the lady, and she sent me to right up the street to like this little greasy spoon, and it's called the Green Lantern, and it was delicious, and everything was very nice. It's very cheap. The guy named Mo there runs the place. Very nice gentleman, very kind. If you guys are ever in there, it's called the Green Lantern, and you guys should go in there and get something to eat. I think I spent like $4 something for a plate of breakfast, so it was delicious. But yeah, I'm gonna go over to this Burger King and I'm gonna check out the place. Oh man, I don't think I've ever walked around Detroit before. This is where like half of my crew is from. But yeah, the Lafayette Lofts. Anyways, yep. Gonna check out Detroit. What is that? Porsche? Oh no, it's a Porsche. Look alike. The Toyota, whatever the thing's called. But yeah, still gotta be careful with this camera. Oh please, Mama Kelly, please have something that will steal this. Anyways, this Burger King hopefully has Wi-Fi. But yes, I am going to just chill. My bus doesn't leave until almost 2 o'clock. And then on my way to Flint, I gotta change buses. On my way to Saginaw or Bay City, and I gotta change buses. And then it took me right to Stanish, where my dad's gonna pick me up. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
I feel very sad.
I record. Caught on my shoulder. Yep. You gonna say hi to everybody?
Hello. Hello, my name is Jessie.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Choi. My Chinese name is Gordon.
Jessie, what's your Chinese name?
Liu Jia Li.
Some friends I just met on the bus. Jessie and Charlie. And she's showing me pictures from home. Yeah. But I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. I'm almost home. Hey, what's up? How's it going? What's up?
Seeing you today.
What?
I don't want to be seen on there today.
You don't want to be seen on there? This is going to be uploaded like 2 days from now, so...
Yeah.
Because I'm behind. I know what she's talking about. That's the hello I guess. I don't want to be seen today.
What are you doing?
Well, this seems more legit. Use the flash. Oh, it's part of the video.
Yeah, because I
love being on video, you know. I just love it.
I think I might have a baby horse come morning.
Oh, that was perfect. Yeah.
Are you?
Hey guys, what's up? At Mom and Dad's now. Got to see some friends before the wedding tomorrow. And I met some new friends today. Jessie and Charlie. They're American names. They're just visiting, going to Mackinac City and in New York. So I met some cool new friends. And then, yeah, Got to see Kelly and Amanda before the wedding tomorrow. Saw Heather. So hung out with the family, and now I'm gonna go to bed and catch you guys tomorrow. I'm talking to myself. So I'm gonna call it a night, catch up on editing, do some uploading. I'll see you guys tomorrow.